Hello, I'm Marigolds and today I will craft a wreath for Dia de Muertos. To make this DIY, you will need cardboard, crepe paper, tissue paper, cards. You can find a full supply list in the description. Let's start by making the wreath base in the cardboard. Take a pan and trace a large circle. Then you can use a small plate to draw the inner circle. Once you have made the wreath shape, you can cut it out with a cutter or scissors. To have a strong wreath base, I suggest you make 2 circle shapes and you glue them on top of each other. Once the base is made, you can cover it with crepe paper. Cut ribbon of paper and wrap them around the wreath. And you just keep wrapping until all the cardboard is covered. You will use DIY marigolds to cover the wreath. You can click on the link to find out my tutorial to make tissue paper marigolds. You can also find the link in description. Use a glue gun to fix the flowers on the wreath base. Once all the marigold flowers are in place, you can add the traditional Dia de Muertos elements. You first have to download the butterfly and sugar skull templates. Both are available as a free download. You can find the link in the description. Let's start with the sugar skull. It's very simple, you just have to cut out the shape and add some color with markers or paint as you like. Then take the butterfly print and cut them out. You can add a little glitter on the tip of the butterfly wings. It's very easy, just add a little glue where you want the glitter to stick. Spread some glitter over the glue. You can use dark brown glitter or black glitters as you like. Remove the extra glitter and then you have a cute butterfly. Do as many butterflies as you like to decorate your wreath. Arrange the sugar skull decoration and the butterflies around your wreath and glue them in place. To hang your wreath, just cut an extra piece of crepe paper and glue it on the back of the wreath. You can also use a ribbon if you like to. And the last thing to do is to hang your Day of the Dead wreath wherever you like. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more craft and easy DIY ideas.